Have you ever felt far from home, even when surrounded by people? You're not alone in feeling homesick. 94% of international students felt homesick during their first semester. Homesickness can feel stronger during stressful moments. Calls aren't always possible. Messages can't recreate the feeling of being there. Sometimes what we miss isn't conversation, it's familiarity. Meet Isle, a personal space for international students, bringing familiar memories closer to home. First, check in. Choose how you feel, how you'd like to feel, and what you miss. This helps shape the island you'll create later. Next, bring in familiar people, places, sounds, and objects. And then, step inside to XR. Enter your personal island and revisit your memories. It can be a photo, a video, or even an object. Discover by surprise. Reveal a random memory or a gentle message. On Voice Island, listen closely to the voices of the people you love. Reflect. Notice how you feel after the experience. Finally, return. See a summary of your experience and take one gentle step back into your day. Isle connects mobile and immersive experience to offer emotional support when you need it, helping you reconnect with familiar memories and gently return to everyday life. Isle could also be used through student support services or workplace well-being programs, making the XR experience more accessible. Your island, always with you.